Found a DIST file in a macOS installer package. This is a distribution script controlling installer behavior on Mac systems. I'm Evan Brooks, a certified support engineer, and I'll explain how these Mac OS X distribution script files work and how to handle them. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky DIST file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. DIST files are distribution script files used by macOS installer packages to control installation behavior. They contain XML-based scripts defining package contents, installation requirements, user prompts, choice options, and pre- or post-installation actions, enabling sophisticated installer experiences for software distribution on Mac systems. macOS DIST files use XML format, following Apple's distribution script specification with elements for choices, options, scripts, and installation requirements. The format includes JavaScript code for dynamic installer behavior, package, references for distributed installations, and localization support for multilingual installer interfaces. The core association for the DIST file points directly to MacroMate's TextMate developed by Apple Inc. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows does not interpret code natively, so scripts rely on the right engine to run. We're going to use the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your DIST file, then click Open with Test MacroMates. TextMate, if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. Methodical testing works. If the DIST file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the DIST file won't cooperate. First, opening as XML. Open DIST files in XML editors or text editors like BBEdit, Visual Studio Code, or Notepad++. The XML format enables viewing of installer logic choices and scripts. Examine the contents to understand installer behavior or modify scripts for custom installer creation in package development workflows. Next, editing with PackageMaker. Use Apple's PackageMaker or modern packaging tools like Packages by Stefan Sudre to create and edit DIST scripts within installer packages. These tools provide visual interfaces for installer construction with DIST script generation, handled automatically based on user-defined package configurations. Finally, testing installer. Test DIST script behavior by running the parent installer package on a test Mac system. Verify user prompts, choice options, and installation actions function as designed. Use macOS installer logs for troubleshooting unexpected behavior during installation, including DIST script errors or condition evaluation issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.